I'm Gina Catelli and welcome to Whisk. On this episode of Whisk, we're going to make my really easy and quick peach cobbler. As always, I've got all of my ingredients prepped, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've already got about 1.5 to 2 pounds of peaches that I've blanched, put in an ice bath, I've peeled the skin off, and then I've gone ahead and I've sliced them. So they're right here in my bowl. And to that, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed orange juice, the zest of a whole orange, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, brown sugar, and white granulated sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and toss that together until it's just combined. We're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to dump our fruit mixture into a greased 9x13 baking dish. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of evenly spread the fruit out. And that's the fruit part. So I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side while we make our crumb topping. For our crumb topping, I'm going to go ahead and prep that right here in the mixer. So in this bowl, I have some white sugar, some brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to mix that all together. And I'm going to put that in our mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add white flour, quick cooking oats, a little bit of salt, and then 2 sticks of butter that I've cut up and have chilled. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that until it's just combined and the butter breaks up and all the ingredients mix together. So we're going to start out on low. Too, don't pat the mixture down because we want it to look really rustic and kind of craggly and crumbly on top. All right, let's pop it in the oven. We're going to go ahead and put it in the oven and it's going to bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it's bubbling. Our cobbler's ready to come out of the oven. It smells amazing. Nice and bubbly and golden on top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll go ahead and we're going to plate it up with either ice cream or some fresh whipped cream. Our peach cobblers had some time to cool, and I made some fresh whipped cream to top it with. So I've already plated some, let's give it a taste. It smells delicious. I can smell the orange zest and the orange juice mixed in with the peaches. It's probably gonna be just perfect. The whipped cream is nice and sweet. The peaches are nice and juicy and ripe. It's absolutely delicious. I think this is a perfect dish to end summer while peaches are still in season. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Whisk. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Happy baking, everyone!